Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn more about backgrounds in CSS. First, let's go to the background color. Before anything else, we need to put a style, the style tag. Then we put body, curly brackets, enter. Let's put a tab here, just to be prettier. Now we put background color, and we can put olive as an example. Here, everything is olive. You can also use it for divs and peas. See? You can use it in divs, in h1s, in any tag. Any tag has a background. Now, we are going to check the opacity of backgrounds. First, we are going to put an h1, put background. Here, we can change the opacity. So if we put opacity 1, it will be very obvious. We can see it very well. But if you put 0.1, we can almost not see it. 0, we cannot really see it. 0.5, you can see it, but not as good as possible. Now for image, we can put background image. Then we put URL parentheses, double quotes. We paste the path to this image. I'm going to use an image from a site. We save it, and here we go. That's a free image, and that's our image to the background. Now for the background repeating, here you can see it's repeating in the right because it's too small, the image. So background repeat, no repeat, and it will only show once. Then we can put repeat X, it will only repeat in the vertical, I think in the vertical, and the Y in the horizontal. I'm not sure. We can also put, for example, a position. Right top, and it will be shown in the top right. Let me check if it's... No, it's not no difference. Top right or right top, it's the same thing. It will always go top and right, hitting that corner. Now to the background attachment, we can put fixed. Then we are going to put a lot of text. Okay, here we go. We have a lot of text already. We see that we can go down and the image doesn't go down. But if you put scroll, the image will follow the scroll. It will go down. It will not stay there. Finally, you've learned the basics of the backgrounds in CSS. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.